This is where I stayed at my trip to Bangkok. We are staying at Hotel de Bangkok. Very affordable and very maganda na rin siya. Pati yung receptionist, madaling kausap. This is our day 1 ng ating Thailand and nakapag-check-in na kami ng hotel. So thank you Lord na aga ng check-in namin kasi it's currently 11 a.m. and usually ang check-in time nila is 2 p.m. Nakadepende siya sa availability na room and buti na lang available na agad yung room na nakuha namin. And so, since tatlo kami, tatlong kama din yung kinuha namin. Dalawa na for 3 there. Malapit siya sa mga tourist spots like Bayok Sky Hotel, Big C, Central World, and then malapit siya sa mga night markets guys, and also Siam Center. So, ito pagpasok ng hotel room. This is like closet, and then ito yung CR. So, ang ganda ng, ano natin dito? Ang ganda ng mirror. Tapos, ayan, may bathtub. Dito na rin maliligo. Wala siyang separate shower. Medyo malaki rin siya. Tapos, I believe this is the luggage storage area. Tapos, may libreng kape din. And then, ayun na yung mga kama. Binook namin siya through Agoda app. Sabay na yung flight and yung hotel namin. Kaya, kung pupunta kayo ng Bangkok, guys, I would highly recommend na dito kayo magstay. So, ayun lang guys for today. Bye!